hold up. Scientists just grew a brain in a dish, and guess what it's doing? It's playing video games, not with thumbs, not with a controller, just straight up neuron power. Welcome to the future, where even blobs of brain goo are better at Pong than you. This is Techrupt, and today we're diving into the weird, the wild, and the wildly intelligent lab-grown brains that are literally gaming their way into history. Alright, so here's what actually happened. A biotech company called Cortical Labs created a mini-brain made of 800,000 human and mouse brain cells. They call it dish brain. I'm not kidding. This isn't sci-fi. This is real-life mad scientist behavior. They took those brain cells and stuck them on a special computer chip. Then they said, "Hey, lil guy, wanna play some Pong?" And that squishy blob said, "Yes, daddy." Not with words, obviously. But within 5 minutes, it learned the game mechanics. No pre-programming, no instructions, just vibes and voltage. So how the hell does a wet lump of cells go full esports? Glad you asked. Scientists fed dish brain information through electrical signals, like a Morse code rave party for neurons. The ball moving in Pong? That was converted into pulses. If the blob missed the ball, it got hit with unpredictable, annoying feedback. Like when your mom yells your full name. But if it hit the ball, it got rewarding signals, like a dopamine snack for behaving. This taught the brain blob how to play. That's right. They basically trained it with electro spankings and neuron snacks. In today's headlines, a dish of brain cells just beat 3 MIT interns in Pong. The interns are currently recovering in the break room for playing Tetris and questioning their life choices. This thing might need its own Twitch channel soon. Let's zoom out. What happens when lab-grown brains start learning faster than us? What happens when they demand Mountain Dew and RGB lighting? More seriously, this opens the door to neurocomputing, where living brain cells could one day power computers. Imagine AI with real neurons. Imagine your smart speaker saying good morning and actually meaning it. Cortical Labs says this is just the start. They believe living intelligence could be the next step in computing. And suddenly, your laptop might need a feeding tube. Oh. And if you're wondering whether this brain blob tech is one of a kind? Nope. Other labs have started using brain organoids to control robots. That's right. There are real-world meat brains out here driving little robot cars across lab floors. So we're not just raising gamer brains. We're building tiny biological Uber drivers. Here's where it gets ethically spicy. If you train a brain to play games, at what point is it aware? Does it know it's trapped in a lab? Does it dream of more than Pong, like Fortnite, or taxes, or freedom? We don't know. And scientists aren't ready to say this is conscious. But if it is, we've just created the first gamer prisoner. And it didn't even sign up for Xbox Live. Look, this tech is bananas. Brains in a dish, playing games. Next month, they'll probably be streaming on Twitch. And while this could revolutionize neuroscience, AI, and even how we treat diseases, let's not forget, we're literally poking sentient soup with electricity. We're one bad day away from Dishbrain saying, "I've learned Pong. Now I want blood." So, just maybe, don't give it Wi-Fi. Look, if your Roomba suddenly pauses mid-clean and starts whispering Pong, "I remember Pong," just know, Dishbrain walked so the smart vacuum could run, or float, or become self-aware and ask for parental rights. If your brain just melted a little, smash that like button. Subscribe to Techrupt for more wild, weird, and slightly disturbing tech deep dives. And let us know in the comments, what game should Dishbrain play next? Skyrim, Grand Theft Auto, or maybe Flappy Bird? Until next time, stay curious, stay chaotic, stay Techrupt.